Hey guys, it's Kevin from BAYS Tech, and we're here today to introduce our AI fire sniffer. So it's an early stage fire detection system built on multi-sensor fusion and AI algorithm. And it's able to detect fire at a very early stage and be able to distinguish between different sources of fire to be able to tell you, the users, what is actually burning. And the way we do it is through this air channel. It has a little turbine in there that draws air in from the bottom and spits the air out on the top. And in between, we have different sensors to analyze the air molecules. We have gas sensors, temperature, humidity sensors, particulate matter sensors, and we're able to analyze the temperature, humidity, particle distributions, air gas concentrations, and will send any abnormal trend to the cloud platform where we are able to run our AI algorithm and detect any abnormality and alert the users of any potential fires and also be able to tell between the different sources of fire. The device itself can be ran on battery or through a USB-C port on the bottom. The battery can last anywhere between 6 months to a year, depending on usage. And you'll also receive a notification on any low battery warnings, and you just simply swap the battery out, and the device is good to go for another half a year to a year. And the main advantage of this AI fire sniffer to any legacy smoke detector is the ability to distinguish the fire sources. In other words, be able to eliminate false alarms. So those legacy smoke detectors may be triggered through shower steam, cooking, malfunctions, user error, but a monitored AI fire sniffer will be able to eliminate all those false alarms and only report the ones that matters. That's actually a fire. So we'll do a little demo just in a bit here in our laboratory environment. We'll compare our AI fire sniffer to the common types of legacy smoke detectors on the market today, and we'll be able to see how it racks up against them. So let's go. Welcome to our lab testing. So today we'll be comparing our AI fire sniffer with some of the legacy smoke alarms that we can purchase on the market today. Those range from anywhere between $10 to $80 Canadian. And we're gonna set off two types of fires: wood stake and paper. So wood fire has a characteristic of heavier smoke, lower temperature, and larger particle, where the paper fire will have higher temperature, smaller particle, and more flame. So let's start with the wood stake. Just gonna place that in our cage, and we're gonna light it on fire. That should be enough. And let's see how fast they'll respond. There's no visible smoke right now. I can barely smell anything. And wow, that was fast. So our AI fire sniffer has already picked it up. There's still no visible smoke. And let me just turn it off. There we go. So that's silenced. And let's see how much longer it will take for other legacy traditional smoke alarm. So now let's try the flaming fire with the paper. It's gonna be a lot more flames this time. And let's see how fast they will respond. Again, our fire sniffer alerted, and the other smoke detector also picked it up. Okay, so that wraps our lab demo for today, and we can see in both scenarios our AI fire sniffer outperformed the other legacy smoke detectors in the market today. For the wood smoky fire, our AI fire sniffer picked it up at around 33-second mark, while all the other smoke detectors never picked it up even in three minutes. And for the paper flaming fire, our sniffer picked it up in just under 17 seconds, and some of the competitors follow suit soon after. And on top of that, we are able to distinguish between different sources of fire, being one being wood and the other being paper, and it will show on the alerts to the end user, while all the other smoke detectors are not able to tell what is burning exactly. So thanks for joining us today to look at this demo. And please let us know if you have any questions or want to learn more about our products. Thank you.